Hello again, everyone. Hope you're all keeping well and always keeping cozy. Fall is almost over, but hope you get the chance to appreciate the splendid shades of this beautiful season. For this video, I'll be introducing one of the best temples to visit in Kyoto come fall, Daigo-ji. It's one of the many World Heritage Sites here. It's located in Fushimi Ward, southeast part of Kyoto, which can easily be reached by subway or bus. Every spring and fall, it holds a special event, so the fee is a bit higher than the usual $6 charge. Situated at the foot of Daigo Mountain, Daigo-ji has a very long history that can be traced back in 874. It's also here where Toyotomi Hideyoshi, a great samurai and a feudal lord, immortalized the now famous cherry blossom viewing parties in 1598. The Sambo-in, constructed in 1115, was used as a residence of the head priest. The best feature of this place is the impressive Japanese garden designed by Toyotomi Hideyoshi himself. So do take your time, take a seat, and enjoy the beautiful landscape. Once you enter the Neomon, you'll be stepping in the lower part of Daigo, Shimo Daigo, where important buildings and structures are located. Among which is the Five-Storey Pagoda Gojo no To. Having survived the 1400s Onin War, it's the oldest building in Kyoto. And one of the most iconic structures is the Bentendo Hall. The vermilion hall sitting behind a pond makes for a dramatic scenery come fall, when the maple and ginkgo trees turn vibrant red and yellow. Well, there you have it, Daigo-ji Temple in fall. Do come and visit it when you can. It's absolutely stunning. じゃあまたね. Until next time.